My parents, like, they know what I do, but they don't get it.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
I think my dad's in a similar kind of position.
You're like, are you still doing like the woodworking thing and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still working away at it.
Yeah, it's like
one day I'll make it.
Yeah.
Do you need money for gas on the way home? No, I'm good.
Grandma's going to start writing me checks, and I'm not going to cash them until years and years later, and then she's going to get called into the bank for a overdrawn. Yeah.
Do you still get annual check or maybe a biannual, semi-annual check from your grandparents?
Sure do.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Grandma still sends a check, man.
Nice. It's a sign of a good grandma.
Yeah. For birthdays and Christmas, you always get that. We call them flat presents in our house. You know, it's tough buying gifts for people. And like, as a kid, you're never up. I mean, as an adult, you're never upset if somebody gives you a flat present, right?
Speaking of, I was talking to Sophie about this. I think ornaments is a good Christmas
gift.
If you're just looking for something kind of small, you know, get somebody an ornament that kind of reflects their personality.
Okay. Yeah. I'm glad you said that, because I felt bad. I felt like this was a low bar for Christmas this year. Everyone that I like, not in a weird way, had pictures of their animals on my phone.
Okay.
I basically got like just the headshot of their dog or their cat or whatever. Laser engraved it on a little ornament. Ooh. Dude, I burned out like 25 ornaments in no time. And I'm like, people are gonna love this.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Just put on a little pre-finished plywood. Didn't even have to oil it down.
I did last year. I did a 3D printed dog that looks like our dog and a 3D printed cat that looks like our cat as ornaments. I gave them to Sophie.
Loved them, I'm sure. And yeah, I'm sure you just found like a model on Maker World or whatever.
Yeah, I had to modify it a little bit to make it into an ornament, but no big deal.
Yeah. I like whenever you give those kinds of gifts where it's like it's clearly like represents something, like the cat. And then they open it up and they're like, oh, it's a cat. And then they do that double take where they're like, wait a minute, that's my cat.
Yeah. Well, and like an ornament's a great gift because it's something personal. It's something that, you know, like, sorry to be morbid, eventually that pet's no longer going to be here. And like, it's going to be a keepsake that like you're going to take out every year. And it's nice. And it also doesn't take up a massive volume of space, right?
And it's better than just like something that the person accepts but doesn't really want, you know, like a goofy pair of socks or something like that you might normally get.
I know.
Yeah.
Those are what I call throwaway gifts.
Yes.
I'm at the point now. I will not allow myself to buy a throwaway gift, and I push very hard to not allow Mandy to buy a throwaway gift.
That's a good philosophy.
You know what you do whenever you get them?
What's that?